To enable or disable Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26, first we need to open Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and then we need to go to Notifications. Once you open the notifications, you should be able to go to Do Not Disturb in here, and you can manually turn it on or turn it off just by tapping on this switcher. If you try to turn it on, you can also choose for how long DND mode should be on, so this can be set to until I turn it off. You can also adjust the amount of hours, or maybe you can switch to minutes instead, and there we go. You can also create a schedule for DND mode, so it can automatically be enabled or disabled at a given time of the day and specific days of the week as well. You can create multiple schedules if you want to, and we have some additional DND settings. Besides that, if you go to the control center or quick settings, then in here you should be able to find the DND button as well. In my case, it is hidden in this section, so I can use that button in the control center or quick settings to quickly turn it on or turn it off. Leave a like and subscribe.